Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to clear the flint tube in this vintage Windmaster petrol lighter. See there, it is marked Remembrance, Brown and Bigelow, and Windmaster on the windscreen. It appears to be brand new. Wick is just a little bit dusty. So we're going to go ahead and pull the flint spring screw out and then pull the felt pad off of the bottom of the lighter. You can see there are a couple of spare flints that somebody stored underneath the lighter or underneath the insert that appear to have held up over time. They are blue in color. Pretty nifty. But if we judge the spring, how far it is traveling up in there, we can see it's not making it as far as it needs to go. So if we can get through this relatively easily, then we should be able to do it without causing any contamination to the wadding and the wick and all that. Try to keep everything going downhill. We'll see exactly how far we have left to go. So a good distance there. We'll just see exactly how soft this old flint is, or if we'll have to get out the power drill to get through it. Feels like it's relatively soft. See the old powdered degraded flint coming out of there. That's what's come out of there so far. See a spot where the old flint adhered to the file wheel. And this is another one of those jobs, I'm running into these all the time now, where that air compressor would have really come in handy. So whatever you guys do, do not buy those small Briggs and Stratton. I can't remember exactly how many horsepower it was, what the specifications were, but the compressor went out on me. They sent me the motor to replace it, then the switch went out, and I never heard back from them. So I really need to replace that air compressor so that I could just blow this out and not have to worry about what kind of flint dust was going to contaminate that wadding underneath, or the wick here up top. I'm going to just take this precision standard screwdriver and push this degraded flint out from between those striations. And it looks like it's coming out easy enough. No real need even to do any other kind of cleaning on that, I don't think. We usually take one of the common household disinfectant wipes and just kind of get it to absorb into it, but that looks clean enough to me. Not trying to be too forceful, but just working any debris of flint that might still be clinging to the side of the tube. Just want to work that on out of there. Then when you've got it all clear and it's reaching all the way up in there, then you will have pressure on your file wheel, which I'm not going to turn it because I don't want it turning against that stop on the end of the spring. But you can see that now, without that even being screwed all the way up in there, we do have pressure on the wheel. So now we know that a flint would travel all the way up in there. Go ahead and put our felt pad back, replace the flint spring screw, get it tightened down. Get our insert back in the slip case. There aren't that many lighters, the Windmaster, the Gem, a few others that are both flip top lighters and slipcase lighters. That is how you clear the flint tube in a vintage Windmaster Petrol lighter. Until next time.